It's October and it's time for another sweet potato harvest. I had previously grown sweet potatoes in this small garden plot, and they just took over the whole garden. I was trying to grow tomatoes and peppers and some other things, and the sweet potatoes just took over. And I did a video on that, which if you haven't seen it, you might want to check it out. Sweet potato harvest number 1 and number 2. And today I'm ready to do another sweet potato harvest, and it is in these sweet potato bags. I decided to take a different approach and grow them in addition to my regular garden in these couple of sweet potato bags, grow bags, which I bought off of the internet. And I was going to wait a little while longer. You can actually wait until like the last frost, and we're probably several weeks away from that. But I came out the other day and something had eaten most of the vines off from the dirt. So I don't know if a rabbit got in there or what. I actually, if you can see them, put some little wires around there that I have tied into my electric fence. And by the way, I have a video on setting up an electric fence to keep the squirrels out of your garden. But anyway, I had these grow bags outside of it, and I did not have these wires up, and something got in there and just really liked the vines. I understand they're pretty tasty, sweet potato vines are, and it was a rabbit or some other wildlife creature. But I put these wires around it to try to protect it in the meantime. But now I'm just going to go ahead and harvest those sweet potatoes. I've got this one, and then I have another bag back over here in the back. I'm probably just going to do the one today, but what I hope to do is to get some help on harvesting these. Okay, so I've got some help here. And do you like sweet potatoes?
Yeah.
Do you like them a lot?
Yes.
Have you always wanted to dig some up?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, well, let's get that, and we're going to move the bag out to here, okay?
Oh!
I've already cut the vines off of it, so...
Can I launch them so big?
Yeah. Well, let's do it this way.
Oh.
Let's turn it up like this and dump them out. See if this will work.
That's a lot of dirt.
It sure is.
In a big pile.
Yeah. Hope there's some potatoes in here.
Me too.
Now we gotta see if we can find any.
Yeah.
It's gonna be disappointing if there's no... What is this?
A sweet potato!
Wow! Set it over to the side.
This is the sweet potato aisle.
Yeah, let's see if there's some more.
Yep.
You see any?
Yeah!
Wow! Sweet potato.
Yep.
Are you gonna be eating some of these?
Yep.
What's this?
A sweet potato.
A big sweet potato.
Yup.
Wow.
Whoa. It's the king.
It's the king?
Yup. It's so heavy that I can't even carry it.
Yeah. Let's see if there's any more.
I think
How about under over here where your truck is? Maybe there's some. Well, if there's no more, that's a big one.
There's one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
That's the king also.
That's the queen right there.
Yep.
Think there's any more?
Yep.
I don't know.
I think they're just hiding.
They're hiding?
Yeah.
We have to look some more, won't we? No. Oh, here's a little one.
Yep. Here's a little one. That's the baby.
I don't see any more.
Hey, maybe more in that, in the It's tired.
You want to look in it?
Yeah.
I think that might be it.
Or is it?
That's not bad though. You think you could eat a potato this big?
No.
We might have to cut that thing in half, huh? When we cook it. Okay, well I think that's it. I think we did pretty good, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're just going to drive our truck around in the dirt a little bit, but thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, like and share it, please. Thanks.